the canvas. It's our 60th independence anniversary, and the idea would have been to generate 10 songs that, or to generate a group of songs from which the organizers could have selected 10. We started out with a bit of controversy because after, in my opinion, having more than a couple of years to prepare for this 60th anniversary, we were told somewhere around March or April of this year that they had some 220 odd entries, but they couldn't find 10 songs. Now, unless you're born under a rock and you live and stay under the rock, I don't know how you want to believe that. But whatever the intention was, there was a whole of protests, and the organizers seem to have taken the decision to go back and reopen the entries, out of which they managed to come up with these 10 songs. And these 10 songs, we hope, will be able to get one out of the 10 that will be able to carry that messaging across the world, because that's not just a song for Jamaica, but for Jamaicans everywhere in the world. Garth?
Yeah, and one of the things that, reading some of the commentaries about the whole thing, was one young lady put it, that festival is not about big artists and everything, it's about the man in the street. And, she called to mind the songs like Mr. Brown's Chiquitita, and just the hooks.
Some songs that you really don't know what the song was saying.
Yeah, but you just remember the hook. Like Jamaica, I'll Never Leave You Again at Big Hill Boot Festival, and that Stanley and the Turbine, Tequila Mama. Nobody knows exactly what he was saying.
Don't even go there.
That is, and then she stop, she go, she stop. She stop, she go, she stop, she go. And those are the songs that make festival. Those are the songs
we could argue that the song them not good, but guess what? What people want, and this is for me when I waded into the controversy. This was my position. A democracy, let's make the people them choose. And it don't really matter if the song after festival switch turn off the next morning. You never hear the song again. It doesn't matter, right? You want to give people the opportunity to go out and enjoy themselves. A big part of the fun is to go to the contest night, the final night, when them finally have all 10, and you get to listen and laugh after the rubbish.
And everybody dress up there and Dan
absolutely. But when them sing the song that you consider to be rubbish, you use the opportunity to basically vote them down. Just like what we used to do
at the
Penny concert. If the song are rubbish, you say Penny take them down.
$5
keep him up kind of thing. That and my sense was that we were trying to remove that. The audience participate, the average Jamaican's participation in the program. But let's play the first song and then we take it from there.
The first song that I have here is Rock to the Beat by
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.